Okay, so hi everyone. Today we are going to be looking at the different exam boards or exam specifications for GCSE. Main focus basically will be on chemistry. So now there are different exam specifications, or shall I say exam boards for your GCSE. But there are three major ones that most schools tend to use. In fact, two out of all those three that most schools tend to use. So to start with, let's just say, so this is directed mainly to GCSE students, and the specifications that would most commonly find are AQA, there is EdExcel, there is OCR. Now these three are very, very common, but we also have the CAIE. I've never had a chance to look at their past papers, but I'll take a look. Educas. I've taken a look at a few past papers with Educas, but again, these ones are not very common, and WJEC. But the most common ones that you'd find that most schools tend to use are AQA, EdExcel, and OCR, and more precisely will be AQA and EdExcel. Now, we're going to look at the topics. So this video is mainly focused on chemistry, right? So look at what are the topics you can find under paper 1 chemistry and the topics you can find under paper 2 chemistry. So let's say GCSE chemistry, paper 1 topics. Okay, so for topic 1, that is atomic structure and the periodic table. The periodic table. Topic 2, so all of these are still under paper 1. So topic 2, we have bonding, structure, and properties of matter. Bonding, structure, and properties of matter. For topic 3, quantitative chemistry. So under this one, you do a lot of calculations. Hence the name quantitative. Quantitative chemistry. And then topic 4, we have chemical changes, one of my favorite topics. Chemical changes. And topic 5, that's energy changes. That's when you start to talk about endothermic and exothermic. So we have energy changes. Okay, so I'm going to pull up another page for GCSE chemistry paper GCSE chemistry paper 2. Again, it'll be 5 main topics. Okay, so the topics on that paper 2, remember, all of these that I'm listing are based on AQA. So if some of the topics that I'm mentioning seems to sound a bit alien to you, that's because I'm listing the topics based on AQA. So in another video of mine, I'll list the topics based on EdExcel, but for now, this is AQA. So topic six will be the rate and extent of chemical changes. So the rate and extent of chemical changes. Then topic 7, that will be organic chemistry. Then topic 8, that's chemical analysis. That's also another topic that I really love, chemical analysis. Then topic 9, chemistry of the atmosphere. Chemistry of the atmosphere. And topic 10, that is using resources. Okay, and then of course we have practical skills as well, but that will be in a different video. So I do not intend for this video to be too long, so I'm going to stop here. If you have not liked or subscribed, guys, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.